Hello, Magic Kingdom and Cinderella's castle. Her last day will be a good one here at the Magic Kingdom. Oh, beautiful. That was fun. Hey, cuz! Awesome. It's time for some Haunted Mansion. Ooh, I'm scared. And there's the Yoda. We'll see you inside. You're going right to the Doom buttons.
By ringing the bell. As long as we both shall live.
Oh look, it's clairvoyance. Metaphysics. Bewitch. Apparition. Poltergeist. I am a spook. Again, there's the classic hearse here at Haunted Mansion and the ghost horse. There's my favorite, Memento Mori. I love to go in there and look at the shop. That is the shop for Haunted Mansion that you don't exit through, because you're in Haunted Mansion, you actually never exit. We're gonna head over to Big Thunder Mountain. There's Splash Mountain straight ahead. And then we're going over there to Big Thunder. So we're now in the queue for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, which is right there. We're gonna follow the people. Social distancing, of course. There's the cactus, there's Splash Mountain in the background.
Cuide a sus pequeñitos. Muchas gracias. Partners,
We're in the
for
very
your
back.
safety, remain seated.
That was awesome. So Thunder Mountain was thunderous. Anyway, my cousin and his partner are going to find something to eat. Me and Tony got to do some, run a couple little errands. And then we'll be meeting up again in about an hour. And we'll see what we're going to ride then.
What's the problem with twin witches? You can't tell which witch is which.
Hey!
What?
Why couldn't the vampire get any sleep at night? The coffin.
So we came back over to Tomorrowland. And we're gonna do lunch at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. So let's recap. So far we did 7 Dwarfs, Mine Train, Haunted Mansion, and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. So far a good day. And we're gonna meet back up with my cousin Brent. We went off and they went off to eat and do their own thing, and then we'll regroup. So stay tuned for some more family adventures. Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. So we decided to get the foot-long hot dogs. They're gigantic. We got the Cheshire Cat tail pastry thing we're gonna split, and some fries. Oh, massive. And as I said, this is Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. It's in Tomorrowland, in case you want to try it out. So we're here at the Enchanted Tiki room. My cousin Brent, this is his partner Joey, and you know Tony. So we're heading to the Enchanted Tiki room. There's a pretty waterfall.
Like I said, in a few moments you'll be entering the theater, but for now, thank you for practicing physical distancing.
And now, from the waters, Citricua emerge! Oh, great God of help, your secrets we urge!
You not keep people, you think we were in the soul's body right now. Things which happen here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
What would you guys think of the Enchanted Tiki room?
That's pretty good. I thought it was good.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty fun. I was trying to figure out how they get all the birds to move different and react, and all the engineering that went into that, you know? So I was looking, I was like, oh my god, Tigger. Tigger shirts. I love this one. Oswald, the lucky rabbit. Oh, it's everything though. Partner. This one's retro. Aw, I'll be your Mickey. I look awesome, admit it. So folks, it has been a fabulous week here at Disney World Resorts and Parks, and well, we're leaving Magic Kingdom, and we will be back again someday soon, hopefully. We're actually headed over to Wilderness Lodge for dinner at Whispering Canyon, and I will get some footage of that for you. But for now, it's time to say goodbye from the most magical place on earth, and I'll see you guys soon. I am Mr. Shields, and it's Mr. Shields to you. And there goes the monorail. Bye.